Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing a mystery box from PS. And trust me guys, this one pack surprisingly smart from Dex. And I don't know what is inside of it, so let's check it out. Okay, now we got the Dion CCTV. It's from Smart Indoor PTZ Cam, and let's check it out. Okay, manual book also, as always, and this is the cam of PTZ. You can put here, and you got charge, you got cable, and tiny screw, and it's done. Oh, what's that? Also, the manual book has two. Okay, let's next to the next product. And this is the tiny one, smart CCTV video for indoor also. Let's unboxing. Okay. Oh, what's inside? Manual book again. And this is our boy, little boy. Very simple, very elegant. Built-in charge also, and it's done. Totally simple. And the last one, we got the smart outdoor bullet cam. Finally, it's for outdoor. So what we got inside the box? Oh, let's clean it up. We got manual also. There's main cam here with a cover. Really cool. And we got some cable built into the body. And look at this bullet cam. Looks like bullet also. Yeah, I mean like just like bullet. And there's a little box inside. How to open it up? Oh, okay. I'm not really sure how to open it. Oh, there you go. Charge and SIM ejector inside. It's pretty unique. You can put SD mini card to the camera, so you can record the camera. All of this stuff that I just unboxed before is now available at BSB, and you can go visit our store, address down below, because BSB is always at your service.